Hello everyone, Movie Watcher 123 here, and that's right, I have a new video for you. Now, you're probably wondering, what video am I going to make? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Do you always hate it when you have hiccups? Do you want to get rid of them once and for all, completely? Well, watch this video, and I will tell you all about hiccups and how to get rid of them. It's very easy, don't you think? Now, I'm not a doctor, but I do know how hiccups occur. So here it is, as I'm going to school you in on a little something on how hiccups happen. Hiccups occur, or hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen and plays an important role in breathing. This involuntary contraction causes your vocal cords right here in your neck to close very briefly, which produces the characteristic sound of a hiccup. Simple, isn't it? I just did some research on that, and I just found out how it can happen. Now you're probably going to be asking me, how do I treat it? How do I get rid of hiccups? Now, good question, and I'm going to tell you right now. So here it is. Hold your breath and swallow 3 times. Listen again. Hold your breath and swallow 3 times, okay? Breathe into a paper bag, like this. Paper bag, not a plastic bag, paper bag. Remember that. Third, drink a glass of water quickly. I'll show you again. Drink a glass of water quickly, like this. And then swallow. Then, swallow a teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of sugar, okay? Pull on your tongue. Pull on your tongue. And finally, gargle with water. Easy, right? Now, you people probably wondering that you're never going to get hiccups. But hiccups happen all the time, potentially in kids and adults. Usually, hiccups occur when you eat food very fast. No, that is not possible. I'm telling you for real how hiccups occur. Makes sense, doesn't it? Well, I hope you learned everything from this, and I hope that you will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Now, I gotta ask you, I also have a question. Are you afraid to get hiccups? Do you find this tutorial easy for you to follow on how to get rid of them? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll answer them for you. And please, sometimes when people have hiccups, there is a chance that person might throw up a little. So, follow the tutorials that I told you, and the hiccups will go away completely, just like that. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And share your comments below and tell me what you think about this. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.